I'm GoldieBlox and you're watching the GoldieSquad show. Today's episode is all about one of the internet's favorite animals, goats. Let's throw it out to Alicia and Paige, who are on location with some very hungry goats.
Hi, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Paige.
Have you ever wondered what a goat's favorite snack is? No? You haven't? Well, we have.
So that's why today we're doing the Goat Gourmet Challenge.
First, we'll choose our snacks.
And then we'll match up head to head.
And whichever food the goat eats first wins. First, let's meet our goat.
A legend in his own right, Wilbur has an appetite like no other. He's never met a vegetable he didn't like. Even the weird-sounding ones, like, okra.
Okay, it's time to choose our foods. But first, a game of rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You win.
Okay, so what do I want to choose first? I'm gonna have to go with the pumpkin.
I was so mad when Paige took the pumpkin. The pumpkin was just perfect for those goats. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the bagel. I chose bagels because my dog always eats my food, so I feel like goats would also like human food.
I think for my second food, I am going to go with watermelon.
For my next food, I'm gonna go with carrot.
Okay, for my third, I'm going to go with sunflower seeds.
I'm gonna go with the sunflower.
I'm gonna go with the corn.
I'm gonna go with the lettuce.
I'm gonna go with popcorn.
So the last one, I'm stuck with cabbage.
You got lettuce and cabbage.
Yay!
Pumpkin versus bagel.
Release the goat!
Yes, I knew that you would love this pumpkin. I told you.
Oh, he likes our bagel. Look at that. He took the whole thing. He ate the whole bagel.
He's not chewing
He
it.
loves the bagel. Look, he ate the whole bagel. I win! Nice. This is me winning.
Okay, fine. You win. This is only the first round, so.
Watermelon versus carrot.
Release the goat!
Yes. Please don't bite my finger off. Don't bite my hand off. Yes, look at that. See, you love watermelon just as much as I do. Okay, he ate the watermelon first, though.
Like, he ate the whole carrot and you didn't eat the whole watermelon.
He ate the watermelon first.
Okay, you win that round.
Sunflower seeds versus sunflower.
Release the goat!
Look at these seeds. Yes, yummy. I knew you'd like the seeds. Yummy. I win.
Corn versus lettuce.
Release the goat! Goat.
What? We have food for you.
He's licking the dirt instead of
Excuse
my
me?
food.
Why doesn't he want my corn?
Why doesn't he want my lettuce? He wants the dirt instead. Come here. Come here. Yay! He loves
Okay,
the
but
lettuce.
no,
He just likes lettuce better, and you
Like,
just
you
don't want to
didn't even give
admit
my corn
it.
a
Trying to get the
chance.
lettuce. Okay, but he still ate my lettuce first. So I
Okay.
win.
All right, so it looks like he's having a hard time eating the corn, but he ate the lettuce first, so Alicia
How is
wins.
he getting that whole thing in his mouth?
I thought maybe he would eat the corn off the cob like humans do, but he's obviously not. He's eating it
the
in one
whole
bite,
cob.
so.
Yeah.
All right, looks like we're tied. Heading into the final round.
Popcorn versus cabbage.
My cabbage, I feel like I'll win this round because it's pretty similar to the lettuce, and he really loved that.
See, I know my popcorn he's gonna like better because my popcorn is lightly salted, so I don't think the goat's gonna be able to resist.
Release the goat! No!
Yes! Wait, the popcorn!
No,
Yes,
you're
he is.
shoving the
Yes,
popcorn.
he is.
You're
He's
cheating.
eating the
You're shoving
popcorn.
the popcorn in front of my cabbage.
Yes, he ate the popcorn first. I win! Okay, we can agree. I won.
So our winner today is Paige, which makes her the greatest goat feeder of all time.
So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And comment down below what you would feed to a goat. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.